We guide you through how to draw on Instagram messages so you can send fun handwritten notes and doodles inside your DMs. First thing you need to do is to open Instagram app and tap messenger icon in the top right to open your direct messages. Choose the chat where you want to send your drawing. Then, tap the camera icon next to the text bar to open the message camera. After the camera opens, tap the draw icon in the top, which looks like a squiggly line or pen tool. Now, you can use your finger to draw anything directly on the screen, like hearts, arrows, smiley faces, or even write words. You can change the color by tapping different color options and adjust the brush size by pressing and holding. If you make a mistake, just tap the undo arrow to erase your last stroke. When you're done, tap done, then tap send to instantly share your drawing with the person. This works on both iPhone and Android, and it's a fun way to add personality to your Instagram messages instead of just sending plain text.